stood at crossroads more than once, not knowing which way to trust. Every choice felt like a risk, like I'd lose something either way. Tried to listen to my head, and my heart said something else. Sometimes you don't really know till you're already somewhere else. There's roads I didn't take, paths I let fade away. Some I left too soon, some I couldn't stay. I still think about where they might have led me to, but I had to walk the one that felt the most true. Some people stayed behind, some became a memory. Some chapters closed so fast I didn't even get to read. I used to question everything, wonder if I chose it right. Now I see not every road was meant to fit my life. Maybe every no I said was a yes I couldn't see it. Maybe every wrong turn was part of where I'm set. You don't get the full map, you just move and understand that the road you didn't choose was never in your hands. Now I don't look back the same, no regret, just perspective. Every path I walked away from still taught me something real.